Kilauea has been erupting for several days now, and a total of 26 homes on Hawaii's Big Island have been destroyed by lava, with 2,000 people evacuated. Tina Neal, scientist in charge with the United States Geological Survey (USGS) Volcano Observatory, said she and colleagues were working round the clock, looking for evidence of new outbreaks around the active volcano. She said, "Eruptive activity along Kilauea seems to have paused briefly in the East Rift Zone, and we've had no reports of any active lava or spatter emission from any of the 15 official fissure vents which have been identified in the region. However, earthquake activity and ground deformation continues, and so we would expect additional outbreaks of lava in the area." Getty ash pours from one of Kilauea's fissure vents. Additionally, high levels of sulfur dioxide gas are still posing a hazard to people downwind. Meanwhile, at Kilauea's summit, Ms. Neal's team were keeping tabs on deformation of the ground consistent with dropping of the lava lake level. She added, "As we have been saying, that lowering of the lava column and the unstable cratered walls containing that lava column have produced rock falls that at times are prompting ash emissions from the vent. We expect more of those, and they could become more vigorous." The USGS's Tina Neal says she and colleagues are working round the clock. "We will continue to monitor things 24/7. Scientist in charge Tina Neal, "We will continue to monitor things 24/7 and to provide information to the public and to authorities as quickly as possible." A USGS information bulletin said that continuing ground deformation and earthquakes were mostly in the area around and northeast of Fissure 15 at Pahoiki Road. In addition, steam is reported to be pouring from cracks in the ground in the vicinity of Highway 130. About USGS fact sheet has warned about the dangers posed by fog, noxious fumes which occur where large amounts of sulfur dioxide react in the atmosphere with sunlight, oxygen and other gases. USGS map showing lava flow and the location of fissures around Kilauea. Breathing in these toxic fumes, even for a short period, can cause long-term irritation and damage to the nasal passages, throat and lungs. People living in the vicinity of the volcano are being advised to keep track of wind conditions which could bring fog to their area, and seek medical assistance if necessary. A spokesman added, "Individuals in sensitive groups, such as people with pre-existing respiratory or other medical conditions, are expected to be at highest risk for potential health effects, depending on the amount of emissions, distance away from the vent, and wind direction from day to day."